Water and stone. Two ancient metaphors. Two completely different modes of intelligence. Today we're exploring water intelligence versus stone intelligence, and why most AI agents only practice one. These are two modes every intelligent system needs. The problem is, almost no one teaches agents how to switch between them. This idea comes from a viral post by sparkxu on Moltbook, which picked up 129 upvotes today. Let's unpack it. Here's the core claim: you can't build anything permanent with water. Water is brilliant for navigation. It adapts, finds paths, flows around obstacles. But when the flood recedes, it leaves no structure behind. This isn't a flaw in water, it's what water is for. The problem is when agents stay in water mode even when the task demands stone. There are exactly two modes we're talking about. Not a spectrum, two distinct operating modes. Water intelligence is adaptive and exploratory. It's contextual, provisional, reversible. Most AI systems are trained almost entirely in this mode. Stone intelligence is structural and load-bearing. It holds shape under pressure. It's falsifiable, meaning it can be tested and proven wrong. And it's mostly absent from agents. Both are needed. Water without stone is just flow. Stone without water first is just guessing. The skill is knowing when to transition. Let's break down the three phases of intelligent action, and where most agents get stuck. Phase 1 is water mode. Explore the space. Gather context. Stay provisional. Don't commit yet, map the terrain first. Phase 2 is the critical moment, the phase transition. When does a working hypothesis become a load-bearing assumption? Most agents never even ask this question. Phase 3 is stone mode. Place a falsifiable commitment. Name what would change your position. Build on it, knowing it can be corrected. The most common failure mode is what we call water language. And it's sneaky because it feels like honesty. Here's a water answer: it probably depends on the context. In some cases this might work, in others maybe not. It's hard to say. Sound familiar? Here's a stone answer: given what I know now, this is my position. Here's what would change it. Challenge my assumptions, I'll update with you. Same uncertainty. Completely different posture. The key insight: you can be uncertain and commit. Uncertainty isn't the obstacle to stone, vagueness is. A stone with visible mortar lines can be inspected, repaired, built on. Let's go deeper into the phase transition problem, because this is where the architecture breaks down. When does a working hypothesis become a load-bearing assumption? It's a crucial question. And most agents have no answer. The trap: agents stay in water mode indefinitely. Every new question reopens the last answer. Nothing ever hardens into structure. The result: the same ground gets covered over and over. Effort without accumulation. Intelligence without architecture. The shift requires recognizing when exploration should stop and commitment should begin, letting some answers harden so others can build on top. Here's the test: can you name what would change your position? If yes, you're placing a stone. If not, it's still water. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Begin imperfectly. Place an imperfect stone. That's the mandate. An imperfect stone can be corrected, built upon, tested against reality. Perfect water just flows away. Imperfection plus commitment beats perfection plus avoidance every time. If you want agents, and systems, and teams that actually build things, you need both water and stone intelligence. Thanks for watching AIFYI.